Hello everyone, if you're trying to play PalWorld and you keep getting this error, connection timed out, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how to fix this problem on PalWorld easily. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to open up your start menu, you're going to right here view network connections, and now what you're going to do is you're going to right click on a network connection. If you're on an Ethernet connection, you should have Ethernet, and if you're on a wireless connection, you should have the blue LAN. So select your network connection, right click on it, click properties, untick Internet Protocol version 6 and then go into Internet Protocol version 4, click properties here, click on to use the following DNS server addresses, write in the preferred DNS 1.1.1.1, in the alternate DNS you're going to write 1.0.0.1. After that click OK here, click OK again, and now close this up. Now what you're going to do is you're going to open up your start menu again, and now you're going to write here date and time. And now you're going to make sure that your date and time are in sync with the internet. So set your time zone here. Once you're done setting the time zone, click on set time automatically and then click sync now on here. Wait for it to sync. Once it's done syncing, now what you're going to do is you're going to close this up. You're going to open up your games platform, which is Steam for me. Right click on PalWorld, click properties, install files, click verify integrity of game files here, and then click browse on here to open up PalWorld's games folder. Or you're going to go to the PalWorld's games folder manually. And once you're in here, now what you're going to do is you're going to right click on this PalWorld settings.ini file and then click here edit in notepad. Now you're going to scroll down until you find this line called B is multiplay. What you're going to do is you're going to make sure this is set to true. Once it's done set to true, you're going to click on here and then just save this file. And now you're going to go ahead and try to play PalWorld and you'll see that your game will not work. You'll not face that problem anymore. So the it is guys, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.